Hi everyone, today I will talk about the VPN, how to get a free VPN. Okay, so without any time, I will go for a particular website which require VPN. See, I'm an professional editor, so I was always using CapCut. Okay, CapCut for the Windows. And see, if you are a professional VPN means user, when you require to edit something by using CapCut, you require the VPN. So in mobile phone, you download from the Play Store. But if you want to download for the PC, you want to pay some amount or something. It will ask. But now today in your friend itself, I will within 2 minutes, I will set up the VPN for free, completely for free. Okay, so you can see it is showing not found means the server has not connected because it does not have any VPN because we have the another. So let's go for the VPN. So if you want a VPN, go for the VPN gate. Okay, you search this. Okay, so after searching this VPN gate, click on it. Okay, after clicking just okay. Now go for the settings. Okay, come for the settings. You came for the settings, yeah, come for the settings and go for the networks and internet. In that you can see here VPN, click on it and you can see here within 1 minute it will be completed. You just click on add VPN. We can see we get only some details. You want to write in the connection name as you can write anyone. I will write my VPN. Okay, you can write anything. I have written my VPN. Then I go for the browser and see we have the first link, right? This particular, just to copy this particular, I'm copying the Japan. You can copy any of these things. Okay, I only suggest you which having the good session. It should be above the 100 session. You choose that one. Okay, the server will come connects faster and the ping should be very less. When the ping will be less, it will be very good for you. Okay, so I will choose this network as in my VPN. So I will copy this and I will go in the server name. I put this particular VPN link and I go for this and you in the autumn in VPN type you will select the secure talk and SSTP. Okay, after that you can see here you will get the username and password. Nothing to worry. See, you can see the VPN password as VPN, simple. Go for there and just type VPN and VPN. That's all. And you click on save. Okay. Now it takes only 10 to 20 seconds to connect. Let's see. Okay, it is loading. Boom, it has connected. If you want to verify, you can see in your below in your this my VPN, you can see this will be automatically login. Now I will show the proof. I will go for the CapCut, and you can see this is not coming, not found, and just I will refresh it. Just let us down. Yes, boom, it is working. It's for free. And also, if I click on download, see it will download. Yeah, yes. See, it is starting download. So this is the thing where you can set up your particular VPN. By coming this, you can add a lot of networks. I suggest only one network. It is enough. If you want to, you want to change some settings, and you go for the edit, and you can change anything. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.